So hello everyone and welcome back to the tutorials video series on HTML for absolute beginner. So this is the video series number 4 where we're going to talk about the types of list. Okay, and basically there are 3 types of list, as you can see here: unordered list, ordered list, and description list. So what all these means, we're going to talk about it. Okay, let's get started. So types of list in HTML. So let's get started. In HTML, lists are used to group related items together. Okay, there are 3 main types of list in HTML. They are ordered list, unordered list, and description list. And the tags that are denoted for the ordered list is OR, and for unordered list UL, and description list DR. It's very simple. Okay, just pick the first letter of the word. Okay, order list. From order, you can just simply pick the O, and list EL, OL. Okay, that is denoted order list, and that is written inside the angle bracket. We already knew that. Okay, so number second, unordered list UL, and description list DL. Okay, now let's talk about what order list is actually. Okay, order list. An ordered list is used to create a list of items that follows a specific sequence. Yes, that is in a specific pattern, either in a specific pattern or it follows a sequence. Okay, we can say it's a numerical order or chronological orders. Okay, items in ordered list are automatically numbered. Yes, that means by default when you use the ordered list, at that time, it automatically comes into the 1 2 3 4 like that. But if you want to change the pattern of 1 2 3, then we can use or add the attribute, so we can change it into the alphabetical order A B C D, or in the Roman order like I double I triple I, in this way. Okay, now let's move towards the next type of list. Okay, here we have the another second type of list is unordered list. Okay, by the name also you can have a guess. An unordered list is used to create a list of items that do not need to follow a specific sequence. Yes, it is this list does not follow any specific pattern or chronological orders, so it is in a random form. Let's say it's in a bullet point. Okay, instead of number and alphabet, it use the symbols like circle, square. So these are the things. Okay, and as you guys already know, for the list we use li, and ul we use unordered list ul. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, next we have a description list, which is denoted by the dr, and our description list is used to create a list of terms and their descriptions. Each term is defined using a dt. Dt means term. Okay, so dt means description term tag, and each description is defined using the dt. Okay, description definitions. So this is called description definition. So it's like a defining some term. For example, photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process of making food by the green plants with the help of sunlight, water, chlorophyll, and etc. So photosynthesis is defined. So here photosynthesis is a term and the rest is a definition. So similarly here HTML is inside the what dt. So this is the definition term, and this is definition description definition. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Similarly, here is another descriptive term is description term is CSS, and its definition is cascading style sheet. And next we have is JS. So this is the term, description term, and here is the description, that is JavaScript. JS stands for JavaScript. Okay, this much for, and we will go to the practical session. See you there. Okay, now let's move to the practical session. We will code this and see the output in our notepad. Okay, let's open the notepad. Here the skeleton of the notepad. So these are the basic tags which already I think we all know, and let's copy from here. This is the list, Control C, and go to the Control V. Okay, for that I will write here h1 ordered list. Okay, then close h1. Okay, Control S, and let's open the browser and refresh it. Boom. So yes, so I have put this ordered list in the heading one, and I haven't written anything here. I just simply use the OL tag. So this is OL tag, and inside the list what I written: first item, second item, and third item. Sorry, I forgot to close the OL, so always we have to close the OL. Okay, OL order list is closed. Okay, this is okay. By default this comes into the numerical order. So if you want to change this 1 2 3 into ABC, let's go to the OL. As we said earlier, the attribute is always used in the opening tag. Okay, for this the attribute is type type and is equal to double quotation. So let's say circle. Let's say A. Okay, Control S, refresh, boom, yes, it changed into the ABC. Okay, if we put here capital A, then it will come into capital A. Okay, for example, if you want to change into the Roman, then that will be I and Control S, and let's go, boom. So this is the order list. Why it is called order list? Because this appears in a order. Okay, in a it follows certain patterns. Okay, either it's be a alphabetical, numerical, or chronological. The things. Okay. Now let's move towards the next, which we have. What we have next? We have next is unordered list. So let's simply copy it. Control C, and let me write here un ordered list. Okay, again I will put it into the where h1. Okay, so now let's close h1. Is it closed? No, it is not closed. Why? Because we omitted here slash, so you simply write the, now it is. Okay, Control S, and then let's go towards the yes. Okay, what I say on order list, I have applied here h1, so it is the one of the biggest heading. So now let's write the code on order list. So on order list, let's see, I haven't written here any attribute in the on order list. So let's see what happened to the results. Okay, and okay, let's see, Control S, then boom, yes, by default it is a circle. So if you want to change it into another, then I would like to add here typ type. Then can you guys tell me? Yes, we need to have is equal to, then right, it's double quotation. Inside the double quotation it's already circle. So let's try with square, SQUARE square. Okay, let's see the magic. Control S, then boom, yes, it comes into the square. So this is the unordered list. So this is the type of unordered list. Okay, now let's move towards the next type of list, that is description list. And let's simply copy this. Control C, now go to the notepad, and here let me write into h1 description list, and close it. Okay, now paste it. Control S, then go to the browser, refresh it, boom, yes. Okay, here is something is mistake. Okay, DT, here is no angle bracket, so yes, DT. So this is HTML is the description prompt, and this is the description definitions. Okay, the Control S, now see the magic. Okay, HTML, the definition of HTML is hypertext markup language, CSS. Okay, one more thing I would like to add in HTML, I would like to add the colon, and again here colon. Control S. Okay, Control S, then refresh. Yes, so this is okay. One more thing I would like to talk about here, as we are talking about the attribute and values. So let's go to the body part here. Body, I think body tag. So inside the body tag, we can write what we can write. Okay, we can write here BG BG color. So can you guess what is BG color? Either it's a attribute or value. Right, it's attribute. Okay, an attribute, there will be a value after is equal to, there will be a double quotation. So let's say value is YELLOWL, and close with double quotation. Control S, let's see the magic. Yes, the background color is yellow. So this is the type of attribute and values where we use here. So let's summarize, guys. Ordered list, unordered list, description list. So ordered list means always comes in a order, or unordered list means that does not follow a specific pattern. Description list means terms and definitions. So let's summarize it. Okay, so ordered list, OL always comes in a number list item. Unordered list means bullet items, either it could be a circle, rectangle, or square. So description list, there will be a particular term, and we can have a definition or the narration of that particular term. Okay, this was for today, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.